National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Poweshiek County in central Iowa, southeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, Tama County in central Iowa, northeastern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 4 p.m. At 3 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Meskwaki Casino, or 11 miles north of Grinnell, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Meskwaki Casino around 3:10 p.m. Toledo and Tama around 3:20 p.m.